Do you plan to ham it up on the straightaway? I'm not sure because there's like the deer alley issue also.
You're okay with that?
Alright, well, you're the driver.
Dude, this game time I fall off.
Alright. Well, let's see what's up. Hitting almost triple digits here. Alright, first jump. This is it. Woo! There we go. Nice. It flew. It flew. Here we go, a little bit of lift here.
That was a rally jump. I think I saw the car tip forward.
It tipped forward. That's the first time we've seen a car tip forward, I gotta say.
For sure. Holy shit. That's awkward as fuck.
Dude, that's fun. That's fun as fuck. Cool, a little bit of slip there on the rear. And we know there's deer around this area, sometimes debris. This is definitely a fast run. It's already done. Holy shit.
Just here earlier, actually, daytime.
Ah.
It feels so different at nighttime.
Right. And time. Alright, let's just chill through here, through this right blind corner. It turns into a different segment that we don't time for good reason.
Yeah, for sure, yeah.
As a home course person, do you want to explain why we don't time this portion specifically?
Look how narrow it is right now, like literally.
Narrowness.
Narrowness and honestly, that's it really. Just how narrow it is.
No, not the steepness.
No, it shouldn't matter.
Ah.
As a driver, as a home course, like you should know. You should know like ups and downs of a course. And oh, I hate this car. Oh,
so you abstract away the danger in a way because you take the road as a road.
Yes.
That's the philosophy that I brought as well.
This car's so powerful.
Yeah, right.
Off the line, it's just like out there.
Do you feel like it stays in power band pretty nice and swell?
Yeah, for sure, yeah.
It's cool. It doesn't seem to be doing anything unpredictable. You seem very in control of it.
Do you know why?
What?
Driver bond.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, driver bond. Yes, corner.
Yes.
Very famous. Ouchie.
Yeah, let's not
stay on the course.
Yeah, stay on the course. I just don't want to pop a tire. I know the sidewall isn't too thin, but in my corner, very fun.
It's so crazy how fast we clear the corner. This course, actually.
Right?
Yeah. Wow, Mercedes, the Germans, man. Das is very good.
And maybe we'll chill through here just because of potential patrol. Yeah, I'm not trying to have you run. That's like a bit stressful. By Ross. Ask him to race.
No, dude. We need a black one, dude. We gotta go.
Oh, having a race will slow down the process. Alright, here, you ask.